How to fix lag and make your Google Chrome browser more faster. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Google Chrome. This is the home page. Go to the top here, click on those three dots and go down to settings. Then all what you have to do is click on system and make sure to disable this option here and this option too, and then go to the receipt and cleanup, and then click on cleanup computer, click on find, and after that click on extensions and make sure to delete all the extensions that you have, or at least disable them. And after that, all what you have to do is go back to the home page and click here on those three dots and go down to more tools, click on clear browsing data and clear all your data like this. If this video was helpful, I hope it is. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.